Hi, let's talk again about memory card. Last December, I purchased several memory cards from this seller. The seller is this one. I'm not sure if you can read it. Ziklo. Basically, the name is Ziklo from Lazada. Ziklo. So I purchased from him this one. The the DVI to HDMI converter, memory card, and another memory card. So basically these are the memory cards, and let's try this out. We'll open this memory card. This memory card is a SanDisk 64 GB memory card. Both are the same. Same here. SanDisk 64 GB memory card. So let's open this to see if it will work. So I think I'll have to cut this one. So I'll test this one by placing the memory card to the Poco X3 memory card tray, SIM card memory card tray, and we will format it on the phone. So I've inserted it already, and now I'm turning on the phone, and we will try to format the card. I'll open the other one as well while we are waiting for the phone to open up. It says here, SD card is connected. Tap to safely remove device. So, the message is a friendlier message. So, seems like it could be the card. I'll just pause the video for a bit while I look for the format option. So let's resume. So I will open. I will check for the storage. So basically, there's this SD card. And the size of the SD card is written here is 64 gigabytes, so it's the same. So I want to format the card. It's done. I'll format it again. Yep, it's done. And what's the size of the card? So it's 64 basically. So basically the card works. It's 64 and it's a fast card. So I'll unmount the then I'll turn off the phone. Then we'll test the other card. So the first card, so again, to recap, the first card works, the 64GB card. And it's a fast card. So, works really well. The next, this one, we'll have this. This is the next card. So we'll test this one. So I'm inserting the memory card again to the memory card SIM tray slot, and I'll plug it on the phone again. Open the phone. And let's see. Same message as the first memory card. It's saying SD card is connected. Tap to safely remove the device. So we'll check the phone. The storage. So the phone storage is 120GB, and the memory card storage is 64. Same here, 64 as what the box said. So I'll format the card here. And it says SD card is ready. So basically the format is done. And yeah, it's confirmed. The memory card is 64GB. So I'll unmount the SD card. So it says unmount successful, and turn off the phone and remove the card. So these two cards basically work perfectly. They are fast and they work well. No problem at all. So it's really 64GB as what was written on the packaging. So thumbs up to the seller. This seller is highly recommended. The name of the seller again is Zeklo. So he sells authentic sandisk cards. So that's it. Thank you, and I hope you find this helpful.